My name is Samson. I'm the CEO, Chief Executive Officer of TIDA Rwanda. In other words, this project is aiming at equipping, mobilizing, and compassioning a Lulo Christian church to embrace God's creation. Let me briefly give the meaningful purposes of this project. We saw that after making the research, we found out that there is a small number of young climate activists in Rwanda. We saw that there is a gap between the elders and the young people who are participating in the climate action. So to solve out this problem, we found out that it is better to equip a child in his childhood so that he should become a man or a person or at his maturity who will be a man who is equipped and well mobilized to care as God's creation as well as environment and climate. As I have been saying, I am emphasizing that the project will raise a high number of equipped young generation. After finding out that there is a big gap between the elders, I mean the people with the maturity age, and those people who are young, we found out that the only solution to raise the high number of young who would participate in climate action, it's only to equip them with biblical mandate and scientific research. So, and in your question, you asked me if we do provide a child sponsorship. Here we do not provide a child sponsorship, but we only make a fundraising activities. Like in this platform of child, there is a time that we'll be doing an economic activities like rearing fishes, like making a bakery business. And I just say that as we goes on, as we initiate other activities beyond this, beyond keeping and mobilizing the child, we'll be having some more business activities like the business that I have said earlier. So within that businesses, within that beneficial activities, it will be used also to attract some investors, and some product of such businesses will be used to generate a fund which will in turn finance a child to get a good standard of education. That's what I say. Okay, it is a project of TIDA. Oh. Yes, this is organization, a ministry organization. Yes. But CBC project, it is a project which is being implemented by TIDA. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. And in another paper you saw Ndomo Digital. It is another project of TIDA that is being implemented in Kayonza district and in Gatsibo district. Yes. Created the platform which mobilized about 500 kids. Such number of kids are all categorized into 3 categories. The first categories belongs to the kids who are not yet attend the school, and the second class, it is the class which belongs to the kids who are between 6 and 7 age, and other kids are the kids who are in the category of twin. This category belongs to the category with the kids who are between 8 and 12 ages. So such categories, they are not trained the same model. Like preschoolers, we do train them to know who is God and where God is originated. What is the relationship between God and kids is what mainly taught to the preschoolers. And when we go immediately to the middle childhood and the tweenies, we emerge total courses regarding to the sciences and the biblical mandate regarding on God's creation.